And so for this video, we are going to do posole.
Cook the meat with bay leaves. A few of them is fine. We're gonna let this cook for about, let's say, about an hour, and we'll check back on it in a little bit. Okay, now the chile California is done boiling. I am going to put it to blend. Also going to put 3 about this size garlics. If you have smaller ones, then put like 4 to 5. And I am also going to blend it with about probably equivalent to like 2 spoonfuls of chicken bouillon. I taste it later on, like once it's almost done. I'm gonna taste it on flavor, and then you add more to your liking. I am gonna add a little bit of cumin to it, and like I said, it's all to your liking. I'm gonna put it on another container, and it smells so good. With the salsa, what we call chile, that we add on top of the pozole, and you are going to use chile de arbol. It's already roasted, but you're just going to put a few in there, and this is going to be spicy. I don't know how many. I just go based on, like I said, the look. About that much. Honestly, I don't know how much that is. And we're going to let this cook for a little bit to blend it. I'm not going to put all the water. I'm just one garlic clove, a little bit of salt to it. Who's ready? Because I'm not. So our meat has been cooking for over an hour already. It's boiling a lot. The meat is still a little hard, but I like to add this like halfway through of the meat cooking. I like to add the chilacate in there only because the meat starts getting the flavor from the chilacate. So I'm gonna add it in there. I love it like that, and just mix it really good. Just going to add some mejorana or mejoran. Like I said, this is all to your liking. I add like a good amount in here. Here I add more just in case. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll add more later just in case if I feel like it needs that flavor. But that's how it's looking so far right now. I'm going to chop up a few lemons. Well, I think these are called key lime. A few rabanos. I'm going to slice them like this. You can also dice them, but I'm just going to slice them. Here goes the second kind of hominy. My sound is a little off right now. Meat cooked for like 2 hours, and I added the hominy. Now we're gonna let it boil. I'm gonna taste this to see if it needs more flavor after this.